Dozens of animals taken from a filthy home in Dayton will soon be up for adoption. Now we're talking about 23 cats, 4 birds, and 3 dogs. All of them are now at the Montgomery County Animal Resource Center. They were rescued from a home Tuesday on Linden Avenue. Police tell us the home was unlivable with animal feces and urine everywhere in that home. Well, after vet checks, animal resource officers hope they can all find new homes.
Those animals have been evaluated, and it's our hope that as many as possible will be able to be placed for adoption shortly.
The homeowner, Elizabeth Robbins, was arrested and charged with child endangering. Her 1-year-old son is now living with other relatives.